Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacy. I'm Auntie Stacy. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to read for you today is called Lisa and Gogo's Tea Party. Lisa is visiting Gogo's farm in the village. "Chase me, Gogo," Lisa shouts as she races past. "Slow down, Lisa," Gogo says, hurrying to catch up. Then, Gogo trips over a rock. "Ah!" she screams. Gogo has hurt her ankle. She comes back from the doctor with a cast and crutches. "Come back to the city with us so we can take care of you," says Lisa's mum. "I can't leave my farm," Gogo replies stubbornly. "You have to come, Gogo. We'll have so much fun," Lisa says. Gogo agrees to come. During the drive, Lisa bounces on her seat. She thinks of all the adventures she and Gogo will have in the city. When they arrive at the house, Gogo sits on the sofa to rest. But Lisa runs into the living room, excited for them to go on an adventure. "Gogo, I know what we can do today. We can go to the mall. There are lots of shops with nice things to buy." "I can't. The mall is so big my foot will hurt," says Gogo. "I know what we can do today. We can go to the park." "That won't work. The dogs in the park will run around and could make me fall again." A second later, Lisa's eyes are wide with excitement. "Gogo, I know what we can do today. We can go to the beach." "I'm sorry, Lisa, I can't. My crutches will sink into the soft sand." Lisa is quiet while Gogo continues knitting. Suddenly, she has an idea. "Gogo, Gogo, I know what we can do today. Let's have a tea party." "You can sit here. I will bring everything to you because your foot is hurt." "That's a lovely idea," says Gogo. Lisa and Gogo enjoy their tea party. This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends.